In today's video, we'll be looking at the website structure, and we're using this principle to design our website and specifically the web pages on the website. So here I've opened my website builder that is an online platform, and here we have the different templates that we can choose from. So here we can choose, for example, the restaurant template, right? But we're not going to use the restaurant template. We're going to build our website from scratch using the website structure. So the website structure we're using, I'll be showing you on the home page. So I'm going to click this plus to create a blank website. All right. So here I have my website opened, right? I closed the text box a while ago because I'd opened it before I started the video. Right. So if you want to insert a background image, right? Let me delete this. All right. So here we have our website builder, right? What we want to do now, we want to insert a header. A header would be at the top. So here I have the blank template for our website. What we're going to do, if we hover up the top here on this website builder, here it gives an option to add the header. So the header is the top part of the web page, and on this web page we can add a logo, or we can add a graphics to promote our brand. So we're going to add the header there, and here now here's our home page. So we're going to call this home page CAD with Mr. Hugh, right? So now we want to have the title in one name, so we're going to expand it like this, right? If you want to change the color, we could actually change the color by clicking this icon and putting it in, let's put it in yellow or blue. So we need to highlight this and then click here and then select the color there, and there it is in blue. All right. So the site name, the name of the site is CAD with Mr. Hugh, right? We're going to add the logo for our site. So I'm going to click upload. Then I've saved my logo in this folder here. So I'm going to choose this right here. Click OK. And there is the CAD Mr. Hugh logo. This is our header. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the navigation bar to in the header section. Now, in previous websites, they would just put the logo and maybe a banner, but currently the current trend is to put the navigation bar in the header, right? All right, so let us now, we could actually change the image here. I'm going to upload the image, and we're going to put a image. We're just going to put this image here, and there is our image. If we want to move this over, we hover over until we see the plus sign, and we can actually move it up, right? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna make this a little bit bigger. So we're gonna change the font size. I'm gonna drop down this. I'm gonna choose a larger font size. Let's put it at 72. All right. Gonna widen this. Widen this. All right. Okay. Now what we want to do, as I said, we want to include the navigation bar in the header, right? So here we have our header. The next thing you would have on your website structure for your web page would be the navigation bar, right? Now I'm gonna go to the Pages tab and I'm gonna click this plus button to make a new page, right? So I'm gonna call this page Videos. Um, CAD with Mr. Hugh Videos. Gonna click Done. And here you would see the navigation bar at the top that has the home page and the other pages. So I'm going to add another page, and this page we're going to call it Contact Us. Done. And there is our navigation bar, right? So we have the home page and three other pages. So when you click on it, the computer would navigate you to those two pages, depending on which one of the tabs that you click on. All right, now we want this to look like a tab, so I'm going to click on it. All right, we're going to take out this part so that it resembles a tab. Press enter, and there it is: Home, Videos, Contact Us. All right, the next thing that we're going to go to the home page, right? This is the home page. Next thing we're going to have, we can have in our website structure for the web page is a hero image. So to get the hero image, I have to come back to the insert tab here, and I'm going to choose this one, right? So here it is. So the hero image is a large image that grabs the attention of the visitor on your website, right? And it briefly explains the rest of the web pages on the website. So I'm going to get a picture here. I'm going to upload a picture, and so I'm going to get a picture. We're going to use this picture. All right, so here it is. We can enlarge it like that. That would be our hero image or features image, right? Then I click here. I'm going to type welcome to the CAD with Mr. Hugh website. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna delete this one and use this as a hero page. Okay. So I go back, upload as a hero image, right? So I'm gonna choose this again, right? And there is our hero image. All right. Now the next important thing on the website is a slider, right? So what we can do, we can come here and look for the slider. We're gonna put the slider on the second page, right? So I'm gonna click here, navigate to the videos web page, and we're going to put in the image cursor, right? I'm gonna upload the image from where I saved it in my folder. This image, open. You need to have at least 2 images for this website builder. So I'm coming and choose another image. Let's choose this one. Okay. I'm gonna choose a third one. I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna choose this one, open, and then we click insert. So here is our carousel. All right, this will be our slides that displays a picture like a slideshow, right? So if we go to preview here, here we can actually see, we can navigate through and see the different pictures that we uploaded a while ago. So I'm gonna close this, and we can preview in mobile, right? There it is, you can go across. And here, this is the hamburger. It allows you to navigate to the different web page. When you click on it, it gives you a mobile navigation toggle where you're able to navigate between the different pictures, right? There it is. Go back to contact us, which is blank at the moment. So we can have it look in the horizontal mode, right? And here we still have the hamburger menu, which would allow us to access different pages when we're on a mobile device or the web page is being reduced. All right. All right. So we have our slider, right? The next thing you would need is a website content, right? So we're going to go back to the home page. We have some content here, and we're going to add some more content to the website. So we're going to close this preview here, and we can put a full stop here, and we can say this channel has videos on information technology. All right, so that is our home page information. Now, another thing, another web page structure on the home page could be a sidebar, right? So what I'm going to do, there is no sidebar option on this website builder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this option to get my sidebar, right? I'm going to click on it to select it. Then I'm going to widen this, right, to make it longer. Right, good. And the sidebar is a narrow vertical column on the right hand side of the web page, and it could have advertisements or links to other content or call to actions button or a search box, right? And you can think of it as a side box, as a secondary information box to the primary content, right? So this would be secondary information to the primary content. So here I can click here. I can upload an image if I want. So I'm going to upload this image, right? And here now I'm going to say this is a preview of the videos. Right, so this we're using this as our sidebar. Okay, gonna click outside to close it, right? And we could use these boxes to populate the other areas of the website. So we could click here. We have come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic website structure. We use this website structure principle to design our CAD with Mr. Hugh website
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.